So today a parcel just arrived. I ordered something. Can you guess what's inside this? I'm giving you 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Well, if you have not guessed it, here is a sneak peek of it. That's right, guys. It's a model kit. Let me just try. Yeah, it's a bit stuck in there, so let me get it out. Here. Dang, it feels so unreal to hold this. Look, here's a diagram. It feels so unreal to hold something made from Airfix. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start building. Also, this image reminds me of a World of Tanks Blitz map. That there's map. Yeah, that one. So, oh, geez, it's so light, but still, it's so cool. It's so glossy. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. And its original price was 699, but then it got reduced to uh 521, and that's how I ordered it. Man, this looks so cool. Age group 8 plus years. So let's just have a look at the diagrams here. It looks cool and everything. Uh, yeah, it's amazing. It's interesting. Look. So let's just open it. Scissors. I don't want to damage the box. I'm gonna keep the box. And this is a bit hard to open. This is a bit hard to open. Oh my god. I hear the stuff rattling inside here. Open. And the box is open. So let's see what pieces are inside of this model kit. Yay! Wow. It comes with this new thing. I'm gonna show that later. That's interesting. Here are the decals. The decals. The decals for the T34. Okay, there are not. That is not much, but still, okay. And here is the model, and here is the pieces. Let's take them out. Oh my God, it's tiny. Just look at the scale of it next to my hand. Wow. packaging it reads, uh, to avoid damage of. कोई घर पे. Yes, yes, we're back in here again. It says to avoid danger of suffocation, please keep this wrapping away from babies and children. Well, I actually have a brain, so I know how to use it. Here is the paper T34. Wait, I'm coming. So, let's just get to building. Yeah. Man, this is so hard to cut. God. Let's open this up and reveal what the hell is inside. So, mm. Okay, this is actually cool. So these are some tank threads. These are the wheels. This is the body. This is the bottom, I suppose. These are the tops, and these are what is supposed to go here, I'm supposed. So let's read this. Also, one more thing. Hornby hobbies. One more thing. First, I'm gonna upload this video and then upload a part 2 of this video. The part 2 is gonna be me building the model. So, this recording is about to come to an end. And yes, it does in fact have the instructions to build it. So, see you in the part 2, guys. Also, one more thing. This is tiny as hell. Oh, here is the here is the model T34. Here's a paper one. Okay, bye bye.